Welcome to HS Auto. Today we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Honda Activa 125, a popular commuter scooter stepping up its game for 2026. ### design and styling. The 2026 Activa 125 keeps its familiar silhouette but brings in subtle upgrades. You'll find refreshed body graphics, modern LED lighting and a cleaner finish that gives the scooter a fresh urban look. The underbone frame remains, while the body dimensions stand around 1,850 mm in length, 707 mm in width and about 1,170 mm in height. Faster Wheeler, 1. While it retains a practical, everyday commuter posture, the new model adds more polish, making it as much about style as functionality. ### engine and performance. Under the hood is a 123.9 cubic centimeters, rounded to 125 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. It delivers approximately 8.4 horsepower of power at 6,500 revolutions per minute and around 10.5 Nm of torque at 5,000 revolutions per minute. Zigwheels.com, 2, the transmission is a CVT automatic, meaning smooth commuting without gear changes. While it's not a sports scooter, the engine is tuned for city commuting, easy takeoffs, decent mid-range, and reliable performance in traffic. ### features and technology. The 2026 model comes loaded with upgraded tech for its segment. A standout is the 4.2-inch TFT fully digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, enabling smartphone link, turn-by-turn navigation, message alerts, in higher variants. Moto News World, 3. Other convenience features include LED headlamp setup, tubeless tires front and rear, underseat storage, and smart ergonomics for daily use. It's clear that the focus is on making the ride comfortable, connected and more modern. ### comfort, brakes and handling. For ride quality, the scooter uses telescopic front suspension and a 3-step adjustable spring-loaded rear suspension, offering a better ride over uneven surfaces. Faster Wheeler, 1, the front wheel gets a disc brake on selected variants, and the rear has a drum brake, together with the Combi brake system, CBS, enhancing safety for city commuting. Zigwheels.com, 2. With a curb weight around 109 to 110 kilograms, depending on variant, and a ground clearance in the ballpark of 162 mm, the scooter manages the balance between agility and stability. Faster Wheeler, 1. ### mileage and practicality. One of the key strengths for the Activa 125 has always been its fuel efficiency, and the 2026 edition continues that trend. Some sources suggest a claimed mileage figure nearing 60 to 65 kilometers per liter in ideal conditions. AFPT.co.in, 4, with a fuel tank of around 5.3 liters, this means fewer fill-ups and better suitability for daily commuting. Moto News World, 3. For the practical rider, its storage, ease of operation, kick/self-start, moderate weight and trusted brand network all bolster its appeal. ### who it's for and final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Activa 125 is aimed at urban commuters who want a reliable, fuss-free scooter with modern touches. If you